Solving with the quadratic formula. If the following is true, x equals what? And we have the quadratic x squared minus 8x plus 4, and that equals 0. We know we have to use the quadratic formula because if we tried to factor, saying factors of 4 that add to negative 8, there are none. So we can't factor it. We've got to use the quadratic formula. So a is 1, b is negative 8, and c is 4. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. You're welcome. Okay, so we got positive 8 plus or minus the square root of all this mess. So that's 64 minus 4 times 4, so it's minus the 16. We see that we're not going to have a complex root or complex roots because our discriminant is positive. So x, and we're going to have two real solutions because it's positive, not 0. 64 minus 16. 64 minus 10 is 54, and then you got 50, and it's 48. I really think I did that right. I will check. Now I would go ahead and do the factor tree for 48 to simplify that radical. 48, you could do 2 and 24. Then you could go 2 and 12. Then you could do 2 and 6. And 2 and 3. Okay. There are two sets of 2 that are doubled, so x is equal to 8 plus or minus 2 times 2. Both of those come out, so it's 4 square roots of 3 divided by 2. Finally, we want to do the 8 over 2 is going to be 4. Let me just write it in one whack. 4 plus or minus 4 over 2 is 2 square roots of 3. And that is our solution. Those are our roots.